So let's move on to part 3 of the Yang style short form. Last time we went over ward off to the left, dropping down. We came in and we did ward off to the right. Now we're going to proceed from there. We're going to reach over, we're going to pull down, and then we're going to grasp bird's tail coming in. So it's like you got a little bird tail stuck in between here. So you're going to go forward, and then you're going to drop back, and you're going to push. So on this one, it's like I'm pulling an arm down, and then I'm going to hit forward, and I'm actually going on the floating ribs down here, and I'm hitting in there, and then I'm dropping back, and then I'm pushing. Now as you push forward, your palms don't have to be straight out like this. They can actually be at a bit of an angle like that. So again, I've done ward off to the right, reaching over, pulling down, and then I'm grasping bird's tail. Take my back foot in just a little bit, drop back, go forward. Excellent. So again, we're going to go ward off, reaching over, pull down. And then I'm going to grasp bird's tail, pull back, come in. I'm going to push forward. Good. So I'm going to do this turned around from you, and you won't hear me because it's a fairly windy day today. But I'm going to go through it about 3 times, so just follow along. Now there's some key points here. One is your breathing. Breathe through your nose. Also make your breath as long as the motion. So if I'm going out and I'm actually doing ward off, I'd be like I'm breathing out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Part 4 here, take your arm over, pull down, breathing in, breathing out. Come in and breathe out. As I mentioned, Tai Chi is both moving meditation, but it is also a martial art. So as you're breathing in here and you go to breathe out, anytime you hit out, breathe out. It's a very effective way of accessing your parasympathetic nervous system, reducing stress, anxiety, controlling your breathing. It'll help you with your sleeping. It'll actually lower your cortisol levels and reduce inflammation throughout your body systemically.